जय जगन्नाथ फ्रेंड्स, दिस बाव पंडा वेलकम टू मास्टर इंग्लिश प्लस टू बोर्ड एग्जाम 2024 बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू बायोलॉजी जूलॉजी सेट 4 सेट 3 सेट बोटनी 3 सेट जूलॉजी ऑलरेडी लाइव सेशन सरी ये हूँ सेट 4 पे ओके जो मैंने जॉइन कर फटाफट सांग मान सहित सेयार करदे जहाँफल से जॉइन करेंगे आ मिसिक उत्तर देले तार एक्सट्रा चार मचे पे निजक गोटे लगे कि मो सांग के उत्तर दूसरी मुझे उत्तर दूसरी तो उत्तर दवा आम पाखे 4 ରୁ 5 सेकेंड समय रहा 10 to 15 मिनट्स सेशन कारण 17टा प्रश्न मात्र से भितर आम केतोटी प्रश्न उत्तर दौचे ठीक केतोटी मार्क आम पाचे कमेंट करने भूलवा ना ताले जीवा पिले देखा कौन रही प्रश्न गुड़िक प्रथम प्रश्न हूँ स्वेलिंग ऑफ डैश इन ओल्ड पर्सन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट्स यूरिनेशन रुद्र तुम लाइव हम 9:45 रे तुम लाइव हम 9:45 रे प्लस 3 पिलांगर लाइव हम आज ओके कमिटमेंट मु देइची माने 9:45 रे लाइव करिवे सो स्वेलिंग ऑफ डैश इन ओल्ड पर्सन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट यूरिनेशन क्वेश्चन थिला एठी प्रथम ऑप्शन अछि सेमिनल वेसिकल बी प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड सी बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड डी कार्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम कोडा ठीक उत्तर स्वेलिंग ऑफ डैश इन ओल्ड पर्सन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट यूरिनेशन which is the right answer option A hochi seminal vesicle and lipongm seminal vesicle is wrong the right answer is prostate gland option B this is prostate gland swelling of prostate gland in old person obstruct urination so option B is the right answer next question in human being puberty occurs at the age of dash in human being puberty occurred at the age of dash option A 10 to 12 years B 12 to 13 years C 15 to 20 years D 20 to 22 years प्रश्न कौन थिला in human being puberty occurs at the age of dash option A 10 to 12 option B 12 to 13 option C 15 to 20 option D 20 to 22 which is correct the correct answer is yes in human being puberty occurs at the age of option C it is 15 to 20 this is wrong the right answer is 12 to 13 तीन एज रे puberty आसे बुझीगला जिते बड़ा मनुष्यर अवयव अंग प्रत्यंग भितर परिवर्तन आसी थाए सो सी बी 12 to 13 is the right answer in human being puberty occurs at the age of 12 to 13 next question is menstruation cycle is controlled by dash menstruation cycle is controlled by dash option A estrogen B progesterone C both A and B and D none of these प्रश्नटा थिला जे menstruation cycle is controlled by dash option A estrogen B progesterone C both A and B D none of these कोटा ठीक पिले menstruation cycle is controlled by both estrogen and progesterone both the right answer so both estrogen and progesterone so option C it is option C is the correct answer next question which one is the method of birth control which one is the method of birth control option A STF option B GIFT option C IUDS option D IVF ET प्रश्न थिला which one is the method of birth control option गुडी थिला STF B GIFT C IUD small s and option D IVF -ET the right answer is it is IUDS option C IUDS is the method of birth control option C lipon yes परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा what is function of copper T what is the function of copper T copper T रा काम कोन what is the function of copper T बिले ऑप्शन गुडी अछि हम बकरे कोन कोन ऑप्शन अछि stops cleavage option B stops fertilization C checks mutation D stops gastrulation what is the function of copper T option A stops cleavage B stops fertilization C checks mutation D stops gastrulation which is right the right answer is yes the function of copper T is to stop fertilization stop करे okay option B stop fertilization is the right answer next question परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा oral contraceptives are prescribed in females to check oral contraceptives are prescribed in females to check option A ovulation B fertilization C implantation D entry of sperm into vagina. प्रश्नटी थिला oral contraceptive are prescribed in females to check. Option A ovulation, B fertilization, C implantation, D entry of sperm into vagina. Which is correct? The correct answer is oral contraceptives are prescribed in females to check ovulation. Option A is the right answer. Ovulation. Next question. Question number 6. Oral contraceptive. Sorry. Question number 7. Which of the following must appropriately describes hemophilia? Which of the following most appropriately describes hemophilia? Option A. X-linked recessive gene disorder. B. Chromosomal disorder. C. Dominant gene disorder. D. Recessive gene disorder. Kuda take. प्रश्नटी थिला which of the following most appropriately describe hemophilia? Option A X-linked recessive gene disorder, B chromosomal disorder, C dominant gene disorder, D recessive gene disorder. Divya saw option A beta right answer. Option A X-linked recessive gene disorder is correct. Lipum gene. Yes. Parvati prashna. X and Y chromosomes are called. X and Y chromosomes are called. Option A sex chromosomes, B androgens, C autosomes, D Z. प्रश्न थिला X and Y chromosomes are called. Option A कौन sex chromosome, B androgens, C autosomes, D Z. Which is correct? Samir Barik, option A sex chromosomes. X and Y chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. Yes, Samir Barik. Divya Sahu Lipenzymes. Okay, A is the correct answer. Parvati prashna देखिबा. Parvati prashna होची which one is a sex linked disorder? Which one is a sex linked disorder? Option A leukemia, B night blindness, C cancer, D color blindness. Option A. So which one is sex linked disorder? Leukemia. Option B night blindness, C cancer, D color blindness. Which is correct? So which is correct? Who will tell me? Which one is a sex linked disorder? Leukemia, night blindness, cancer, color blindness. Option D color blindness. Color blindness. Learn with just so D Aishman Nayak. Okay, color blindness, the right answer beta. I'm fine, Manas. Next question. Next question देखिए. Influenza is caused by. Influenza is caused by option A virus, B fungus, C lichen, D bacterium. परवर्ती प्रश्न थिला influenza is caused by option A virus, B fungus, C lichen, D bacterium. Which is correct? God bless Manasi. Option D bacterium is wrong answer. So influenza is caused by option A. Learn with just so yes, beta. So virus, influenza is caused by virus. So option A is the right answer. Next question को जीवा. परवर्ती प्रश्न कौन? Which of the following disease is now considered nearly eradicated from India? Which of the following disease, is now considered nearly eradicated from India? कोटा माने भारत रे प्राय विलुप्त हो गलानी. Option A smallpox, B plague, D kala jar, D poliomyelitis. Which of the following disease is now considered nearly eradicated? Nearly eradicated, not completely eradicated. Nearly eradicated from India. Smallpox, plague, kala jar, and poliomyelitis. The right answer would be yes. It is option D. Poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis होची पिला ठीक उत्तर. D. Liponzyme. Yes. परवर्ती प्रश्न को जीवा. Sensitivity of any allergen. Sensitivity of to any allergen is related to. Sensitivity of any allergen is related to option A deviation from the process of immunity, B age of the person, C eating habit, D rise in environmental temperature. प्रश्नटी थिला sensitivity to any allergen is related to. Samir Bari कहला option A deviation from the process of immunity, and this is the right answer. Sensitivity to any allergen is related to deviation from the process of immunity. A होची correctly. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा. Interference are option A antiviral proteins, B antibiotic proteins, C. Antigen proteins. D. All of these. Interferons are antiviral proteins. B. Antibiotic proteins. C. Antigen proteins. D. All of these. प्रश्न interferons are option A. Samir Barik. Priyadarshi Jana option A. Okay. Lipunzim YT B होची भूल उत्तर ठीक उत्तर होची. These are antiviral proteins. So interferons are antiviral proteins. Next question. परवर्ती प्रश्न कोण बोले परवर्ती प्रश्न टी हला passive immunity was discovered by. बुझेला passive immunity was discovered by option A. Robert Koch, B. L. Pasteur, C. Edward Jenner, D. Emil von Behring. प्रश्न कौन थिला passive immunity was discovered by के discovered करथिले पहले Robert Koch, L. Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Emil von Behring. It is option D. Emil von Behring was known as the father of passive immunity. Discovered passive immunity is discovered by Emily von Behring. So option D. Option D is correct. Next question. In engineering, the term vector is applied for. In generic engineering, the terms vector is applied for. Option A. Plasmid. Option B. Source of DNA. C. Cell which receives. D. Virus. प्रश्न कौन थिला In genetic engineering, the terms vector is applied for. Option A. Plasmid. B. Source of DNA. C. Cell which receives. And option D. Virus. Which is correct? Option B. It is source of DNA. This is wrong beta. Option A. Priyadarshini Jana. Priyadarshini Jana. Very good beta. So in genetic engineering, the terms vector is applied for plasmid. Plasmid is the correct answer for the question. Gene therapy involves. Gene therapy involves option A. Introducing a normal gene in cell. B. Eliminating defective and useless genes. Option C. Treating of defective genes with radiations. D. Replacement of defective genes by normal ones. Quota take. Gene therapy involves. Gene therapy कौन हुए? Option A. Introducing a normal gene in cell. B. Eliminating defective and useless genes. C. Treating of defective genes with radiation. And D. Replacement of defective genes by normal ones. Option D. Soumya Ranjan Das. Yes. Samir Bari. Option D. D is correct. D hochi replacement of defective genes by normal ones is called gene therapy. Yes or no? Last question of today's last question. BT cotton is not. BT cotton is not. Option A. A GM plant. B. Insect resistant. C. A bacterial gene expression system. D. Resistant to all pesticides. प्रश्नटी कौन थिला प्रश्नटी थिला जे बीटी कॉटन इज नॉट ऑप्शन ए जीएम प्लांट बी इंसेक्ट रेजिस्टेंट सी ए बैक्टीरियल जीन एक्सप्रेशन सिस्टम डी रेजिस्टेंट टू ऑल पेस्टिसाइड्स व्हिच इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए प्रियदर्शिनी जना दिव्य साहू ए लिपुन सी सौम्य रंजन दास सी the right answer is D. The right answer is it is option D, resistant to all pesticides. BT cotton is not resistant to all pesticides. सब pesticides मने resist करी परिवा नहीं option D होची correct. So this is for the day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Take care. Keep studying. Bye bye.